What's up, everybody? What's happening? And welcome to another episode. Today's episode is a review of this light by Aputure. This is called the AL-M9. It is a very tiny light. It's called M9 because it only has 9 little LEDs inside of it. So let's jump right into it. But first, roll that intro. So first, what do you get in the box? You get this little carrying case. This has everything that you need for your light, and it contains your light inside of this. You open it up and you'll have your light, and you get these gels. You get a blue gel, you get this diffusion panel, and you also get an orange gel. And I know you're wondering, well, where is the orange gel? Where is the light? I'm actually using the light to key light me for this video. That alone should let you know how powerful this light is. I also have my main studio light side lighting me right now, so let's turn that off and see just how powerful this light is on its own. Bam. So right there, if I was in a pinch, I didn't have my studio light, or my studio light ran out of battery like it actually did when I just recorded this video, but I didn't have my microphone on, so I'm redoing this video. But we're not gonna talk about that. We're not, we're not gonna dwell on that, because I'm not salty or anything. But anyway, so if you were in a bind and you just had this light, you could use this to light your videos. Also in the background, I have a Philips Hue Go light with the red glow going. It turns all different colors. There's an app for it. We'll get into that in another video. But yes, we are using this light, and only this light. I'm not even going to turn the studio light back on, so we can just focus on the power of this very tiny light. So also in the case on the other side, it's going to come with a power cord, because it is a rechargeable light, which is another plus. Like, you don't have to worry about double A's, triple A's, trying to find all of that. Got a rechargeable light, so you can just plug it up. It'll charge. When you plug it in, the light will turn red, and when it's finished charging, the light will go off. So that is another bonus of having this light. And it also comes with an adapter that has a cold shoe mount on it for you to mount it on top of your camera if you would like to use it that way. Or on the bottom of the cold shoe mount, it has a 1/4 thread, so you can screw it in like I have done here on top of a flash stand or a C-stand or whatever it is that you're using to have it off camera. And all of that is packed in such a very tiny size. That is the main thing about this light. Its portability is what makes it so amazing. Like, there's no reason for you to not put this in your camera bag. There's never a question of, do I have enough room for this today? Do I really need it? Should I take it? You can look right now at my pants. I have on some tight black pants right now, and I can fit this light in my pocket and take it in my pocket if there was not enough room in my camera bag, which it's so small that there would never be not enough room in my camera bag. So, but this isn't the only situation that you can use this light in. I could also use this light in place of my Philips Hue Go back there as an accent light or a practical light to have in my background. I could use it just to add some light to a scene. I could use it if I wanted in photography. Say I was at a wedding taking photos of some rings and I needed a light. It's always handy. And having the warm diffusion panel inside of it lets my scene look more natural. You can also throw that blue gel on it and cool down your subject if you needed to do that. Now let's talk about the light itself. So it has an on and off switch on it, but it also has a brightness and a dimmer switches on it, which is amazing. So this isn't even the brightest setting that I have it on right now. It gets brighter than this. Now to insert your gels, you just want to remove the front of it. Is like a magnetic panel. You can take that off, throw your gel on, throw your magnetic panel back on. It's simple, it's easy, and it's small, it's portable. So I'm going to throw the price up here on the screen so you can see how much it is. It costs that amount. No brainer, right? So I'm going to provide a link down in the description if you would like to pick up one of these lights. It's like a secret weapon. That's what I think I'm going to title this video. So you can go ahead and pick one of those up if you would like. I'm also going to tag Aputure's Instagram below if you want to go follow them. Aputure is doing some great things in lighting. This light is really cool and it's really cheap and it's really useful in a whole bunch of different situations. That is gonna do it for me today. Hope you enjoyed this review. Hope you got something out of it. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Likes do make a difference and they are really helpful. It lets me know that you actually enjoy this video, and it makes these videos easier to find for other people who are searching, trying to find out information about lights or Aputure, the company, whatever it may be. Also hit the subscribe button because you know new content is always coming. I make photography and videography type videos if you didn't know. So if you enjoy that type of content, go ahead and hit subscribe down below and the little bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And comment down below, let me know what kind of lights you use, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is a wonderful light, for real, for real. Oh, let's redo that. Okay. That I got over here, got the little shadow going over here. It's nice and cinematic feel to it. Got the red in the background, just putting it off there. Oh no, my battery just died on my main source of like my big studio lights. Battery just died, but I'm saved because I have my little pocket light and I've still been able to light this video. Shout out to Aputure, man. I'll see y'all.